Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Pretty excited about this one. I could tell just pulling it in here. This car's a sweetheart. It felt nice. I'm telling you, there's a difference. It's a real 1965 Chevelle Super Sport. It's a real Super Sport is the point I'm trying to make. Factory colors, factory options. It's air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, bucket seats. This car is as it was born. Beautiful car, restored from the ground up. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, and you get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they are all for sale at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin together in this 65 Chevelle Super Sport. Some people get a little confused, and I even get a little confused what Malibu means. That's just an upper trim level from the Chevelle. So you can still get a Malibu Super Sport is what it is. Malibu is a trim level, the way I understand it. But anyway, the gentleman I bought the car from, I got a stack of receipts. He bought this car done. He bought a restored, finished car. He spent $15,000 in the last couple of years getting it dialed in. I went through all the receipts, everything from like a headlight switch, to a pinion seal. He just went through this car, has it dialed in. Underneath is really clean. I don't know if it was ever actually off the frame, but it looks like a frame-off restored car. All the finishes are smooth and clean and painted. The front end components are all clean and painted. The floors are beautiful. You have like a semi-gloss finish. The frame is real nice. It has a nice new dual exhaust system like the factory type. The fuel tank is gloss black. You look up at the motor, it's fresh. It has the correct screw-on canister oil filter that this motor would have had. The starter, the flywheel cover looks new. It's the original Power Glide automatic transmission. That was gone through. They put a new pump in it, new transmission lines. The rear end is a 336, the original one for the car. So it is the correct drive line, correct colors. It's a real Super Sport, and that's right in the VIN number, so you know it's a real Super Sport. Also, the tag gives all the information, the options that came with the colors. So it's as it was born, except someone put rally wheels, which weren't even available in '65, but that's a common upgrade. So yeah, underneath is real nice. Now the body is also slick. It's straight. It is just smooth. It's smooth to the touch. I mean, it's slick like Teflon. This is all really nice. No rust, no bubbles. Emblems new. The bumpers I know are new. I seen the receipt for that. All this trim looks like it's new to me. It's excellent. You can tell it's a clear coat. It's just got a deep, wet, glossy finish. Moldings are new. Tires and wheels are excellent. All the trim looks new. The wheels actually look new. They don't look spray can. They look like they have a new finish. All the trim. Vent window pillars are original. They're shiny, but they got little speckles, little tiny pimples in the chrome. Has a bow tie mirror. Windshield looks new. All the moldings are real nice. Look how nice everything fits too. Square, flush. It's all spot on. All real nice. 283 emblems. Up front, everything's excellent. The trim, the emblem, all this, lenses, beautiful shape. I know the spear is new. I found a receipt for that. That windshield's crystal clear. So it's the original 283 motor, completely stock. The carburetor, manifolds, valve covers, stickers, Everything, the brackets, it's detail, it's show quality. He has a Delco battery topper, new cables, it's bolted down properly. It's a remanufactured air conditioner compressor. It's updated to 134 Freon. The little choke tube is there. The wires are run neatly. The radiator, the shroud, the washer bottle, everything just looks new in there. It has an interior kit from Ausley's Chevelle. It's literally called the Ultimate Chevelle Interior Kit. So I'm assuming that comes with everything. Inside the car is like brand new. Trunk compartment is just so sanitary, so clean. It's like a hospital in here. It's so clean. Nice metal with a gray spatter finish. This is all painted real nice. The weather strip. The trunk mat's new. The tire's a new tire. That's a new tire and wheel and matches the others. The jack assembly is either new or restored. It's all there. Yeah, it's just real nice. The divider in the back of the seat. The light works on the console and the dome light. First thing I noticed when I sat in here is the cushions are new. Feels nice and firm. The upholstery fits really well. The door panels, the armrests, the window cranks, all that is new. The metal inside the car is painted just as nice as the outside of the car. So it has a cadmium plated booster, new master. It has the heat shields around the spark plugs. It has a new alternator. The steering box and the hoses and the wiper motor, the hinges, everything looks like new. It has the glass bottle for the concentrated washer fluid. Has new carpet, and I keep rattling off all this new stuff. You can have a car with a bunch of new stuff and it doesn't fit right. This car is right. It just, when I said it feels right, that's what I meant. But this is shiny, all the chrome across the instrument panel. The steering wheel is just glistening. We'll fire it up here. Runs real nice. So being an SS, it has the gauge cluster. It has actual like oil pressure, temperature gauges. The center console is really nice. The clock is ticking. What a sweetheart. The vents, everything is nice and again fits nice. The headlight dimmer switch is new. The emergency brake release handle is new. The speedometer itself is new. I remember that was in the receipts. It's got 307 miles. That's since he replaced the speedometer. Inside the glove box, it does have manuals. How nice and square that hood fits. Jambs are beautiful. The idle's a little high. It's doing what it's supposed to do. When it warms up, the idle comes down. I did notice the rear antenna. It came with a rear antenna according to the tag. It's now a power antenna. The AM radio doesn't do anything. So at some point, someone probably had a stereo in here. This guy put it back to stock. So it does not have a working stereo. But nothing is cut up. So there you have it. This is a really nice car. Glass is real nice. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this one, but you'll find the salesman at our website, volocars.com. They will answer any specific questions or concerns you may have about the car. They will also make the shipping, financing, paperwork real easy for you. Visit volocars.com before someone beats you to this one. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. click on the bell icon and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.